This is Slovak lesson number 9. We will have a look at some prepositions in Slovak and also phrases. Slovak prepositions are mostly pronounced together with the following word, and also they bear stress, while the following word doesn't. Let's read and practice. Na stole, which is on the table. Na stole. Pre kolegu, for my colleague, masculine gender, colleague is masculine here. Pre kolegyňu, for my colleague, and this is feminine gender, kolegyňa, which is feminine gender, so pre kolegyňu. Pred domom, in front of the house. Pred domom. V aute. In the car. I will read the words again. Na stole. Pre kolegu. Pre kolegyňu. Pred domom. V aute. Okay? And now let's practice some more Slovak phrases and words. Noc. Which is feminine gender and its nominative case, and it means night. Noc. Ráno, which is neuter gender, nominative case, and it means morning. Ráno. Dobrú noc, which is in Slovak good night. Dobrú noc. Dobré ráno. It means good morning. Dobré ráno. Now, pán, which is masculine and it means Mr. Pán. Pani. It is feminine gender, meaning Mrs. or Mrs. And then we have oslovenie, which is neuter and it means addressing somebody. So oslovenie, it's a noun. Okay, I will read the words again. Noc. Ráno. Dobrú noc. Dobré ráno. Pán. Pani. And the last one, oslovenie.